Hi, it's Ruth from Roo Betty, and we're on day 6 for our 6 days to a calmer you. Hopefully, mums, that you have tried this, and really I ask you as mums to put on your life jacket first. That means you do this meditation first for you. It helps calm all those anxieties and worries and fears, and hopefully those emotions will also leach out into the family. Obviously, we would love our teenager to do this, but we can't ever force teenagers to do it. And if you are a teenager watching, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate that. And hopefully it is working for you and you want to leave a comment from your perspective too. So today is our last day, and this is, again, one of my most favourite things to do. It's about sound. And sound is anything from the natural world. You might like listening to birds, to the mechanical world. Sometimes just having trains going past, cars on the road. It's a sound that we can allow to wash over us. The sea is the most amazing sound ever. But if you don't live near a beach, or particularly anywhere that's rural enough to hear the birds singing, then music is where it's at. Pick your favourite tunes, maybe explore new tunes, get down a rabbit hole on YouTube, see where those lists take you. Have you ever searched a particular genre of music on YouTube? And see what comes up at the side as the next suggestion. I know Amazon is another great place to do that on. So explore new music, explore old music, maybe listen to some music together. And I urge you, lie down to do this. Lie down in a comfortable position, perhaps on the bed, perhaps on the floor. Place some earphones in to do your music. This way you get totally lost in your sound. Close your eyes. Listen to every part of that music and see how that makes you feel at the end of it. And this is something that you can tap into whenever you need to de-stress. And I promise it's one of my most favourite things to do. Maybe you'll make a Spotify list. Maybe you'll make a playlist somewhere that you know that all those tunes are your favourite and they will make you feel great. Again, another example is Claire de Lune. I urge you to look that up if you don't know that piece of music. It is an amazing classical track by Debussy. So have a go and see if you can find some good tunes. And if you have any new suggestions, pop them on the comments below. Thanks for joining me. It was a pleasure. And I hope this 6 days has made you calmer. Good luck with it all, with your teenager. But put your life jacket on first, mum, and you'll feel better too. Thanks very much.